Hey everybody, welcome back to Landshark Garage. This episode, Mrs. Landshark and I are gonna make this thing all one color. That's right. Getting close to winter. Don't have a lot of garage space, as you know from watching before. We got this kind of down where we wanted to get it set at, and we are going to shoot it in hot rod gray primer and drive it that way for a little while. We just want to use it. It's been such an ongoing project with us, and let's look at some things we've done. So one of the problems we had was we put a drop shackle on the back of the 3+3, which lowered it down about 1.5 inches or so. Not a ton, but like I said, we're gonna try and use this to pull our camper and our car trailer and stuff like that, so we don't want it super low. We did end up taking a coil out of this one, maybe a coil and a half, I don't remember. Been clipping so many coils. We've got some mirrors for it that we're gonna put on, but like I said, we're gonna get this in hot rod gray primer. We're gonna leave the white roof because that's in fairly good shape, and that'll look pretty cool with the white rims and the white bumper on it. Bumper's ready to go on. Had to do a little modifying because of the receiver hitch that we put on, but we'll put that on after we get done painting. But the shackle in the back where you put it in is kind of long, and when I put it in, we didn't have the box on, and when I read the instructions, it said to make sure and cut this support right here so that it has room to flex. And yeah, I didn't do that. And yeah, every little creak and groan that you went through, the leaf spring right here rubbed against this cross member that's in the box. It's really nothing structural there, so we just took the old Hero plasma cutter and lopped her off the other day to give this some room. This moves around a lot, and God, it was just noisy. Every you heard it all the time when we'd driving in and out of the garage and whatnot. So we did that off camera. Me and this knucklehead here. Hey Jake, what are you doing? Stupid dog, get out of here. But yeah, so we did this on both sides. Like I said, got the bumper ready to stick on. We just gotta throw some primer at this and make it all one color. We'll put some mirrors on. We got new fuel hoses put in, so that was pretty boring. Not really much to watch there. Got to do some wiring back here, but other than that, let's get after that paint job. And when I say paint job, I use that term in the loosest sense that I can. We are basically just scruffing and rattle canning it all one color so it looks a little better going down the road. We don't care, it runs good, no rust, no holes, everything works the way it should. So we're gonna get after it. Should put a sliding glass window in though. That'd be cool. Them things are awesome. Yeah. Wait till you see the bug deflector that came with it. I don't think you've ever seen that. I saved it. It's pretty cool. All right, let's do this. That's the color we're using. Let's see how it looks. Well, there we go. Done as she's gonna get, other than we're probably gonna put the trim on. We got to put on some mirrors. Visor's got to go back on. Toolbox in the back, but we're gonna start driving this thing just the way it is. As you remember, so damn long I can't even show you the back of it. But we got the bumper ready to put on. Leaving that white top was a good idea. She's a beaut, Clark. She's a long beaut. There we have it. Never forget, drive your shit. We'll see ya.